Hello everyone. Now we are going to create a login form. Means we have to enter the user ID and the password by using Tkinter. Okay. Let's open the ideal Python. I have two versions of Python because I already installed the Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, this version was 32-bit, but my system is 64-bit, so I'm using 3.7 version. And also I'm working on 3.8. Up to 3.7 version, Python is very good, but for 3.8 version, we have to upgrade some features again. After that, in third year, I will teach you how to work on NumPy, Scikit, Pygame, and there are many packages of Python available in available in Python. And by using Python, we can create apps, and also these apps we can deploy it on the Android platform. And by using Python, we can create lots of projects. The area of Python, most important part of Python is the data science, machine learning. There is also a language but Python is more popular because by using Python, there are number of packages are available. Whatever you want to do, there is a package, just import and implement it. Understand? Let me. I will show you the some demo of data science also in last. In next video, I will show you the demo of data science. How to create some curves like pie graph, bar chart, histogram, everything. So let me. That was the in next video. That I will show you in next video. Let me create some Trig interface application. Okay. Let me create Trig interface application. To work on Tkinter, we have to import Tkinter. Tkinter is what is Tkinter? Tkinter is the desktop alone application. Means you can create the application which are based on desktop or standalone run on desktop, not on website. Remember, on desktop. For if you want to work on the website or you want to create a website, you can work on Django or Flask or there are many frameworks available. Framework is means there are some predefined set of rules. You have to go with that rules. You have to deploy your project according to the rules given by the framework. Like we have framework in Java like Hibernate, Spring, Struts, many are. But Java is a very strong tool language, but number of codes are very big. If you are going to write some simple database program, you have to write 10 to 15 or 16 or 20 lines of code. But in Python, you can do it within 10 lines, within 8 to 10 lines, maximum 8 to 10 lines. Okay, let me create Tkinter application. Again, I am going to import everything which is defined in Tkinter package. For everything we use star. Star means whatever inside the Tkinter we can import it by using star. Let's create a window. Window is used for to create your main window, your graphical user interface. Okay. TK is the method. Now, if you want to create your title, let's write down the title win dot title title. Inside the title, oh sorry, inside the title we mention your login. Okay, logging in. After that, if you want to create the size of your window, just use the method window dot geometry. Spelling is right or wrong? G-U-M-E-T-R-Y. Is it right or wrong? Is it? Maybe it is wrong. Let me check after when we will run. It will show right there. If it is wrong, we will make it correct. It's okay. What the size you want? Let me create it by 500 width and 500 length. Now let me create the first label. For label, we have to mention the variable name, whatever you like. I'll make it as 11. To create a label, we can use capital in label, like that. What is label? Label is a widget. Widget. Suppose I will show you. This is my YouTube video. Now here you are seeing dashboard, videos, playlist. These all are labels. Studio, this is also label. Channel videos, it is also label. And I simply show you some registration form. Let me check registration. Gemini. Yeah, the name above the return register, it is a label. The first name, it is an entry point. Entry point. Email is also an entry point. Register now, it is a button. And accept the term, this is the checkbox. Let me show some other forms as well. This is yes. Username, it is a label, and this is the text. In Java, we call it as a text box, but in Python, we call it as an entry. First name, it is also a label, and this is entry. Similarly, here is a button. These are the two radio buttons, and this is the checkbox button. Is it visible? Okay. Now we are creating the same thing by using Python. Now to create any widget like label, button, or checkboxes, radio boxes, our first target is to mention the name of window as a first argument. After that, we can name it text. What is the text you want to name it? Mm, User name. Any problem? Then your label is created. Now, if you want to decorate it by using some color, make it as color. Suppose you want to make its background color. mm, Background color PG. What is the color name you want? Suppose you want the color name as powder blue. It's your choice. You want to make it blue, red, green. Just Google it. There are lots of the name of colors, and then mention the name of color. This is the background color. If you are now a foreground color, if you need foreground color, for foreground color we use FG. FG is equal to mm, blue. Okay. If you want some stylish font, write down like this font. Inside this font, what type of font you need? Suppose I need Arial. What is the size of font you need? Just mention. Suppose I need the size of font is 16. You want it bold or regular or italic? Mention it here. I need bold. Okay. This is the label. Label has been created. Now label has been created. So where we can adjust this label is created, but label is not fixed with the window. To fix with the window label, we can use back method, or by or grid method, or by using pixel method, place method. So here we use the tabular form means grid method. It is very easy, and Easy, it is very easy, and you can place your widgets sequentially without having the hodgepodge of pixels. Now, how to create, how to place the widget? Simple L1 dot create. Now here you mention the row. Suppose row is equal to 1, comma, column equal to 4. Let me show you how what is row and column. Microsoft Word Office. These are column. Vertically, these are columns. Column. This is column. This starts from 0. Column 0. This is column 1. This is column 2. This is column 3. This is column 4. Similarly, this is row 0. This is row 1. This is row 2, and so on. Understand what is row and column? Okay, let me go to the again. Our topic column is 4. 1. If we want to mix 2 or 3 columns, means just like if you want to merge some columns, we can use column span. We can use column span. COLUMN, column span. How much column you want to span? Just mention it, the numbers. I want to span 2 columns. Now our label is packed. Let me check label is showing or not. To show that, simply we use main loop. We have to save desktop. Desktop, new folder 3. Login. Sharing policy arguments. Something is going wrong. Yes, what to do? Okay, I forget to mention the assignment operator now. When is not defined. Why when is not defined? Let me check. When is already defined. Here is something going wrong. When is not defined. WIN. When. Control S. When. No, it's working. Login. Here is a total. Login. Actually, I made the W capital. The W of win was capital. That's why it shows the error. Now, what is the problem with the label? L1 dot create row is equal to 1, column is equal to 4, column is equal to 2. And this is when. There is some problem with column span. Why is not showing the user label one? Okay, it's not test, it's a text. Understand? It's not test, it's a text, it's a spelling mistake. Sorry for that. Control S, F5. Now, is it visible? The background color here you see the powder blue and the front color is a blue color. Okay, is it visible? Fine. Let me continue again to create some other values. Now creating the I'm going to create the entry. On entry there is a name entry. In entry we will just pass the argument. If you want to text inside the entry, just simply copy this thing and paste it here. Okay. Now again we have to place entry into the main window. How you can place it? By simple at if you want to make it in front of the username, then the row name will be same. So row is equal to 1 and column equal to here. Why I'm going to create a column 4? Column 0 is enough. Column 4. Okay, let me check it's working or not. This will not work because of I missed the comma. Control S F5. It's working. Here you see. This is the entry. Username, whatever you want. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Control C. Here is Control B. And here I want column span. Column is span. Push. Now this looks better. Okay. It looks better. Good. Okay. Now again username is created. Now what we are going to create? We will create again. We are going to again create the new label password and for that entry just copy this and paste it here. This is the most advantage of any programming language. Computer science is all about copy and paste. You have to know what to copy and what to paste. Because of you have a lots of courses available on the internet. But if you have the concept which one to copy and which one to paste, you will be the perfect computer science engineer. If you doesn't know how to copy paste, you never be an engineer of computer science. Simply just change it. Now in place of username, I'm going to write that the label name as PASS password. So everything is same. L2 column is now column is row is 3 and column is column is 0. dot grid. You want in front of password, the text field or entry point, make the row number is same. And the column will be same as this. This will make it systematic. Okay, let me check it's working or not. It's working. Username, password. If you don't like the color, change it with other color. Let me change the color. No, I'm not going to change the color. My, my topic is to create the login form. Now we have two two labels, two entries. First label is for to enter the username, and the second label is for to insert the password for the corresponding username. And after that, we need a button. How to create button? Similar. To create button, B is equal to F small equal to BUT button. Same. First argument will be the window argument. Next is what you want to write on the button. Just write down it here. Suppose I want to write it submit. Okay. After that, what you want is foreground color. No, type small. Foreground color. Suppose I want its foreground color as gray. Not gray. Golden rod. Golden rod. Then background color. Background color. Suppose black. When you press the button, the background color will show black. After that, what we need the font. What type of font we need? Same font as earlier, which we see earlier. Why we write? Why we write to make extra burden? Control C. Paste it here. Okay. Our button is created. Save it. Run it. Button is not shown because we did not place the button inside the main window. By we can create v1 dot grid row equal to 3 4 5, column equal to 3, not 3 2, column span equal to 3. Let me check what it will do. Subcolumn B1 is not defined. Okay, the button name is B. I write down B1. Prediction. Now it's the button. Background color is black and the foreground color is golden dot. Okay. Now we have to make some action. If we press the button B button submit, there must be some